Hello, Luciano. Hey, Chaos. Hello, Luciano. Hey, Chaos. Found the perfect heat to do this with. Well, until I get some really hot tea. Evening stew. Yeah, sorry about the feedback. I had my sound down. My bad. Evening, James. Yeah, we dafty. So, who else is here? Hello, James. Okay. Before we start, this is a company where I got fudge from. The Fudge Factory in the Netherlands. And they made it perfect. They made it fresh, just on. Uh, and apparently, I was the first to make use of their offer. So here it goes. Let's see. There are three kinds, 300 grams in all. And the first kind was white chili walnut fudge, which had 30 drips of slaughter pure chili extract in it from Grim Reaper. Oh yes, fudge. So, good taste, good texture, and good heat. That was the lightest one. It builds up from low to oh yes. I would say this one is a 5, maybe a 6 in heat. Next, we have the chocolate one. Dark chocolate fudge, and I believe this one has dried Reaper and Reaper seeds in it as well. This one is good. Again, very good texture. Chocolate is melting in my mouth. And the heat is building only now. It's Reaper, so back of the throat. Let's see, that one had 50 drops of slaughter in it. It's a nice chalky. Very good, very treacherous. At first you might think it's a 5 in heat, but in fact the heat level is building up. I'd even go as far as giving this a 6.5. And now the last one, the chili caramel fudge. Yes, Sonia, you're absolutely right. It is a slow burner and it is good. Hello, Heiko. Now, the chili caramel fudge has 50 drops of slaughtered pure chili extract in it. It is quite different in texture though. The first two were easy to mold, apparently. Smooth in the mouth. But this one seems more gritty. Like it was made with bastard sugar. And as you can see, it's not as, when it was cut, it was not in straight cubes. Apparently there was difficulty there. But that never bothered me. If the taste is good, I'm okay with it. This seems like a good enough chunk. Very good. There's plenty of butter in it, I can tell. Yeah, definitely different than the other two. The other two were more chocolatey. This one is more. It has taste of. It has a feeling of sugar and butter in your mouth. Nice taste though, and definitely plenty of heat. In fact, right now we're at the level that I use for my when I eat my spaghetti. This is good heat. So, Sanya, my compliments to you and your husband at, from the Fudge Factory. For €8, you gave me a very good deal for this amount of fudge with this level of heat. Congrats. So, if anyone's asking, I can recommend this.